Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today's video, we're going to talk about 2 mistakes beginners make when they start their own business. 2 mistakes when beginners start their own business. I'm going to go over 2 mistakes that I see and what I went through as well. One of the mistakes that I went through. So we're going to go ahead and share that. So it's going to be a learning lesson, but we're also going to have some fun today. If this is your first time here at this channel or at this video, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time. It's time to talk about the topic of 2 mistakes beginners make when they start their own business. Now when you first start a business, when you first get that passion and excitement, you're so thrilled to start something for yourself. Let's say you want to be an online marketer. So all of a sudden now you're thinking about growing your business on YouTube. Let's use YouTube for example. So you start a YouTube channel and you've done a couple of videos for about, let's say started about 30 days. So you start a YouTube channel for like 30 days and all of a sudden you look up, you're not seeing any subscribers, you're not seeing any views, you're not seeing any traction, and you quit. And that's the #1 reason why mistakes that beginners make, they quit before they see any type of traction. So that's #1 mistake beginners make when they start a business. So they start a YouTube channel for their online marketing, business or coaching business, something like that. And they only did it for 30 days or 40 days. And they quit because they ain't seeing the progress. They're not seeing that. What they don't understand, it takes time to build a YouTube channel. It takes time to build a business. So why would you quit knowing that it takes time? And the reason is because we want things fast. We want things fast in a hurry. We want to start a YouTube channel and have 1,000 subscribers with 15,000 view time, and we want to have all this type of traction in our business. And the reality is it takes time, and we don't want to take time. So that's the #1 reason people do. They quit before they even see anything. Like, man, you just started this channel, and you got to understand this is that look at some other YouTubers out there and they'll tell you, or you can go ahead and type in the comment in the search bar and you can have to communicate with some of them. They'll tell you it took them years, months to be able to build their channel the way it is or build the business that the way they wanted to be. So it takes so much time. And that's what I want to tell you guys is that yes, the #1 reason the mistakes beginners make is they quit. And the #2 reason I see it's actually other reasons, but I'm going to narrow it down to 2. 2 things I see is that you stop investing. You stop investing your time into your craft. You stop investing into the coaching, the courses, the knowledge. You just stop investing. You're just like, well, I think I know it all, or I think I don't need it. And then you stop doing that. And that's a big mistake that beginners make because they don't want to invest their money or invest their time to learn something. So if you start a YouTube channel, you should follow somebody who's successful or get the coaching and mentorship from somebody that can help you. That would be the right way of doing it. And then that person has a story. I'm telling you, that person has a story and he or she can walk you through the steps of what you need to do on an everyday basis. So those are my 2 reasons that people quit when you start a business, especially when you're a beginner. And #2, you stop investing your time into your craft. All of a sudden now you're only doing it, instead of you doing it 5 days a week, now you're doing it 3 days, and then it's 2 days, and then all of a sudden it's just a half a day. So you just stop because you're not seeing the traction. So don't give up on your dream. Don't give up on your passion. Don't give up on your legacy. Now, right now, if you're struggling right now and you feel like you want to quit your industry, you feel like you're frustrated with what you're doing right now, you're not investing the time because you don't have the confidence, you don't have the direction, click on the link below. I have an opportunity for you to knock your socks off. It is a movement opportunity I want you to be part of, and trust me, you'll be part of my team, and you'll also be part of a powerful Facebook group that's going to teach you skill sets, but more importantly, help out your mindset of where you can go ahead and grow your business and grow your image and grow your passion every single day. How's that sound? click on that link below, and to get started, you go ahead and sign up for free, and you can go ahead and take a look around on what's going on. And I can't wait to see you part of my team of really going ahead and crushing it for the rest of this year and all next year, right? So click on that link below. Don't quit. Do not give up on your passion. If you got a business that you want to do, then continue doing that business. But if you lost right now and if you're looking for a business, click on that link below to go ahead and get started. And I cannot wait to see you on the inside.